Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the purpose of using litmus paper in experiments? Option A, to measure temperature. Option B, to indicate the acidity or basicity of a solution. Option C, to change the color of substances. Option D, to filter liquids. The correct answer is to indicate the acidity or basicity of a solution. Which of the following substances turns blue litmus paper red? Option A, baking soda solution. Option B, vinegar. Option C, soap solution. Option D, lime water. The correct answer is vinegar. What color does red litmus paper turn when it comes into contact with a basic solution? Option A, red. Option B, blue. Option C, green. Option D, yellow. The correct answer is blue. Which of the following is a natural acid-base indicator? Option A, turmeric. Option B, vinegar. Option C, baking soda. Option D, water. The correct answer is turmeric. What is the result when lemon juice is added to blue litmus paper? Option A, no change. Option B, turns red. Option C, turns blue. Option D, turns green. The correct answer is turns red. What type of solution is lime water classified as? Option A, acidic. Option B, basic. Option C, neutral. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is basic. What happens when an acid and a base react together? Option A, they form a gas. Option B, they form salt and water. Option C, they change color. Option D, they produce heat only. The correct answer is they form salt and water. What color does turmeric paper turn in a basic solution? Option A, red. Option B, yellow. Option C, green. Option D, no change. The correct answer is red. Which substance is used to neutralize the effect of an ant bite? Option A, vinegar. Option B, baking soda. Option C, lemon juice. Option D, soap solution. The correct answer is baking soda. What is the main component of lime water? Option A, calcium carbonate. Option B, calcium hydroxide. Option C, calcium oxide. Option D, calcium sulfate. The correct answer is calcium hydroxide. Which of the following substances is neutral? Option A, lemon juice. Option B, vinegar. Option C, sugar solution. Option D, soap solution. The correct answer is sugar solution. What color does the extract of red rose turn in an acidic solution? Option A, a green. Option B, red. Option C, blue. Option D, yellow. The correct answer is red. What is the effect of adding baking soda to an acidic solution? Option A, it makes it more acidic. Option B, it neutralizes the acid. Option C, it has no effect. Option D, it turns blue litmus red. The correct answer is, it neutralizes the acid. What type of substances are olfactory indicators? Option A, substances that change color. Option B, substances that change odor. Option C, substances that dissolve in water. Option D, substances that are neutral. The correct answer is substances that change odor. Which of the following is not an acid? Option A, vinegar. Option B, lemon juice. Option C, baking soda. Option D, tamarind water. The correct answer is baking soda. What is the purpose of using turmeric in experiments? Option A, to measure pH. Option B, to act as an acid-base indicator. Option C, to filter solutions. Option D, to create color changes. The correct answer is to act as an acid-base indicator. What happens to the color of turmeric paper in acidic solutions? Option A, turns blue. Option B, turns red. Option C, stays yellow. Option D, turns green. The correct answer is stays yellow. What is formed when an acid reacts with a base? Option A, salt and water. Option B, gas and heat. Option C, liquid and solid. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is salt and water. Which of the following can be used to test the nature of soil? Option A, litmus paper. Option B, turmeric paper. Option C, red rose extract. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What color does red rose extract turn in a basic solution? Option A, red. Option B, blue. Option C, green. Option D, yellow. The correct answer is green. What is the nature of tap water based on litmus tests? Option A, acidic. Option B, basic. Option C, neutral. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is neutral. Which of the following is a characteristic of basic substances? Option A, sour taste. Option B, bitter taste. Option C, sweet taste. Option D, salty taste. The correct answer is bitter taste. What is the effect of vinegar on blue litmus paper? Option A, turns it blue. Option B, turns it red. Option C, no effect. Option D, turns it green. The correct answer is turns it red. What is the primary function of indicators in chemistry? Option A, to change the temperature. Option B, to indicate the presence of a gas. Option C, to show the acidity or basicity of a solution. Option D, to filter impurities. The correct answer is to show the acidity or basicity of a solution. Which of the following is true about neutral solutions? Option A, they turn blue litmus red. Option B, they turn red litmus blue. Option C, they do not change the color of either litmus paper. Option D, they are always sweet. The correct answer is, they do not change the color of either litmus paper. Which of the following substances is acidic? Option A, soap solution. Option B, baking soda. Option C, lemon juice. Option D, lime water. The correct answer is lemon juice. What happens when excess lemon juice is added to a basic solution? Option A, it becomes more basic. Option B, it remains unchanged. Option C, it becomes acidic. Option D, it turns blue. The correct answer is, it becomes acidic. What is the result of mixing vinegar and baking soda? Option A, no reaction. Option B, formation of salt and water. Option C, release of carbon dioxide. Option D, increased acidity. The correct answer is release of carbon dioxide. Which of the following is a characteristic of acids? Option A, bitter taste. Option B, sour taste. Option C, slippery feel. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is sour taste. What is the role of heat in a neutralization reaction? Option A, it cools down the reaction. Option B, it is released during the reaction. Option C, it has no effect. Option D, it makes the reaction slower. The correct answer is, it is released during the reaction. What color does blue litmus paper turn in an acidic solution? Option A, red. Option B, blue. Option C, green. Option D, yellow. The correct answer is red. Which of the following can be classified as a base? Option A, lemon juice. Option B, vinegar. Option C, baking soda. Option D, salt solution. The correct answer is baking soda. What is the effect of adding soap to turmeric paper? Option A, turns it red. Option B, turns it yellow. Option C, turns it blue. Option D, no change. The correct answer is turns it red. What is the nature of a solution that does not change the color of either litmus paper? Option A, acidic. Option B, basic. Option C, neutral. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is neutral. What type of reaction occurs when an acid neutralizes a base? Option A, decomposition. Option B, synthesis. Option C, neutralization. Option D, combustion. The correct answer is neutralization. What is the primary characteristic of bases? Option A, sour taste. Option B, bitter taste. Option C, sweet taste. Option D, salty taste. The correct answer is bitter taste. Which of the following is a common use of neutralization in daily life? Option A, cooking. Option B, cleaning. Option C, treating and bites. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.